Ow, give me my hand back. Hi guys, today's feeling like a MR2 type of day. We're gonna put in some work on Mr. Dose. For all you new folk, hi, I'm Sarah. I work on cars in my garage and review things and do sitch or something. If you want to get caught up on Project Mr. Dose, my MR2 Turbo, there is a link floating on the ceiling up there that'll get you caught up on this car. And for everybody else, the mirror's back on, I got the door handle back on. The past couple days off camera, I actually got the trunk lid wet sanded and polished and the wing mounted back on there. Yeah buddy, look at that. It's like glass. The goal for today is to make this side of the car look like the other side. Cue the water spraying and wet sanding polishing music. Go! Fast forward 2 days. So that B-roll you just watched of me wet sanding and polishing, it probably took, I don't know, between 15 to 30 seconds. I'm guessing in this video, that was probably anywhere from 12 to 16 hours of actual labor. So, yeah. This front fender is the one that I actually shot and painted. And as you can see, the orange peel is pretty much gone, if not very minimal. Side entry. Perfect, look at that. That's right where I wanted to be too. All right, I have a question for you guys. Looking at the car as it sits right now, the black trim strip that goes down the middle of the vehicle, I was originally gonna paint this a dark metallic red because I believe that was what was on the turbo model of these. And it was actually the non-turbos where it was black and not painted a darker shade of whatever the factory color was. So, the thing is, if I do this and paint this trim strip down the middle, the dark red, some of you have pointed out that might actually make my front lip and down here by the rocker area stand out and kind of clash. So vote in the comment section below. Do I keep the trim strip the matte black, or do I paint the trim strip the darker metallic red and then just have it clash with my front lip and rocker trim? I'm really confused, so I'm gonna leave this up to you guys. Let me know what you think. I got these side marker deletes that go on like so. There was a bulb in there somewhere. Right there. I don't know, I'll figure out what to do with that bulb. It's zip tied up for now. So it's gonna need an initial bend right here at the beginning. So if you look at it from the top, you can see what I mean, how I have to conform it to the curvature of this. So I need to put a bend right here. I don't know, what do you guys think? I don't like how you can see where the side marker used to go right there, but I like it, you know what I mean? Peel this. Oh, that tastes awful. It tastes like shower curtain burrito. Okay, so I have this piece right here. I already scraped all the glue off the back. I have some more 3M adhesive. So I'm gonna run a strip down there. The front side of it is all messed up. I'm gonna start out with a piece of 1500 grit and I'm just gonna lightly scuff this rubber. Now that my garage smells like a bag of burnt pencil erasers, I'm gonna take some 2000 grit, just using an old piece, and go over it the same way again. My garage now smells like a tire dump caught fire, but at least it's better. It matches now. I just finished it off some 3000 grit. The 3000 grit was what kind of blended it perfectly. I don't know. What do you guys think about this front side marker delete? Am I being too picky with the fitment? This was bothering the absolute crap out of me. I have to take care of this. It is now 7 o'clock p.m. I got off to kind of a late start today because I had a lot of stuff to do behind the scenes that hopefully will affect this MR2 build, and I don't want to say too much more about that until I know more about it, but hopefully this will really help out with the build, and it'll be like more to come. We'll see at that. But before I can move on to the side of the car, I want to take care of this hood. You can see in this light especially, there's still a lot of sand marks and haze because I went over the hood with 1500 grit and then just hit it up with a buffer lightly to see what it would do. And I still have to go over the whole hood of 2000 grit and then rebuff it to get it to where I'm happy. So the right thing to do in my mind is to spend some time on this hood, get it to a point where it'll be easy to buff out with the DA when I do my final detail of the car. So I'm gonna do that, and it's probably gonna eat up the rest of the night. So we'll just cue the work music and I'll get to buffing. Did it start yet? Well, this is awkward. I spent 3 hours on this hood. Wet sanded it 2000 grit and went over it again with the rotary. I got about 90% where I want it. I'm gonna go make dinner very fast, go shower, and clean all this wax dust out of my nose, and then go to sleep and come back out here and put in some more work on this car. So, good night. See you in 1 second. Morning, my peoples. This is like morning number 3 in this video, plus the 2 days of B-roll footage also of wet sanding. So many days in one video. Yay! Alright, I just had some breakfast and I'm ready to get back to work on Mr. Dose. So let's make some progress, get this car put back together and hopefully all shiny. Is 2019 turning into the year of the goth Sarah? I look like a vampiress. This is gonna suck hard. I hate doing these door handles. So intricate inside here, and you can barely get your fingers inside the hole to like line up the hardware. Okay. So, oh God, this is gonna be so difficult. How am I gonna do this? Clipper doodle is in there. Okay. How the f***? You gotta be kidding me, I got it. First try. Hell yeah, dude. That's it. So now when I go to open the door, see? Da-da-da, it's on there. Ow, give me my hand back. So that's on. How's this? I don't even know how to get this in there. Ugh. No! What the? You guys be kidding me. Not only did I just lose the 10mm bolt for the door handle down inside this inner structural support piece inside the door, I also dropped my magnet down inside there further than I can reach. And now I don't have a magnet because that was my magnet that's now down inside the door. I'm so mad. It's been like 45 minutes now trying to get this door handle on. This is crazy. It's so hard to get this hardware in there. Absolutely have to be kidding me. Ooh. I got it. I got it. I got it. Come on. Oh, there was another broken nail. Got it. I got it. Now what about the bolt that's in there? I got it! No way! I got the bolt too! Holy crap! I got both of them! One broken nail, two broken nails. It's now taken me 1 hour and 20 minutes to do this door handle, but I got this out of the door. I broke 2 nails in the process. 2.5. This time I'm gonna be smart and I'm gonna stuff a rag down inside here so I can't lose anything. Auto window works. Let's check out the mirror. Good. Up. Good. Down. Left. Yay! Would you just look at it? It's starting to look so good. It's starting to look like a car. I gotta spin this thing around now so I can take care of the back bumper. And then I should be pretty damn close to getting all the wet sanding and initial buff done, and then I can go over the whole thing with my DA and get all the little fine stuff, scratches, imperfections out of the paint, and then it'll be time for a good detail. And I would say the exterior of the car is pretty much done other than getting some wheels on this thing. So happy. Magic. I just took the MR2 for a drive down the street real quick to get the water off of it because I just washed it. Come on, I haven't driven this thing in like 2 months, so I wanted to drive it. Anyway, I know it seems like slow progress, but dude, this is some time-consuming work. Like seriously time-consuming doing this, especially with filming and trying to make it interesting on camera. So, and I don't want to rush this and do a half-assed job. I'm gonna end the video here, and I will see you guys soon with probably the rear seat delete. I have all of the material for it now for the TT. So, okay, thanks for watching. Bye.